India broke free from British rule after years of struggle, sacrifice, and courage shown by countless freedom fighters. Before we begin, I take this opportunity to warmly welcome Father Nelson. We are truly honored by your presence on this special occasion. Your support and blessings add value to our celebration and inspires us all. This day reminds us of the value of freedom and the responsibility that comes with it. It is a time to honor our brave leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more who fought selflessly to give us the India we live in today. Let us begin this day with great respect, joy, and pride as we pay tribute to our motherland and those who gave their lives for her. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I request I request Insia and Ibrahim to take forward the event. Thank you.
शान का है कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा नशा हिंदुस्तान की पहचान का है Good afternoon to one and all present here, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Insam Mufaddal Muqaddam from Standard 3rd B, and I, Ibrahim Mufaddal Muqaddam from Standard 3rd A, extend a warm welcome to all of you for the celebration of 79th Independence Day. On this great and momentous day, today we all are assembled here to celebrate unity, discipline, and spirit of togetherness. On this field of honors, purpose of tribute to our nation and salute to our freedom fighters. This day marks the freedom of our beloved nation from British rules, a day of immense pride and joy for every Indian. We are going to celebrate the bravery and sacrifice of our freedom fighters who fought tirelessly to give us the gift of freedom. Let's start this auspicious day with a Hindi speech by Ridvi Patil from Standard 1st A. I request Ridvi to come forward on stage. आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। मेरा नाम ऋत्वी पाटिल है। मैं कक्षा 1 में पढ़ती हूँ। आज हम सब यहाँ स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने के लिए इकट्ठा हुए हैं। 15 अगस्त 1947 को हमारा भारत देश आज़ाद हुआ था। इस दिन को हम बहुत खुशी से मनाते हैं। इस दिन को हम तिरंगा झंडा फहराते हैं और देशभक्ति की गीत गाते हैं। अपनी देश की आज़ादी दिलाने के लिए बहुत सारे वीरों ने अपनी जान गंवाई है। मैं उन सभी को सलाम करती हूँ। चलिए आज हम सब मिलकर अपने देश को और महान बनाने का वादा करें और अपने देश की तरक्की को दुआ करते हैं। भारत माता की जय। words of Mahatma Gandhi. Be the change you wish to see in the world. With that insightful thoughts, moving forward to set the stage alive with energy and rhythm. Let's begin with a vibrant dance performance that reflects the rich culture of our motherland, presenting a colorful tribute to India through dance by standard third and fourth students. एक तेरा नाम है साजा, हो एक तेरा नाम है साजा, मन मेरी आने पाचा, बस नाम तेरा माँ हो। एक पहचान मेरी तू ही, जिन जान मेरी तू ही, जहान मेरा माँ।
तुझ पे वारना सौ बार जान में, तुझ पे वारना सौ बार जान में, तेरे कुर्बान मेरी माँ। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे आते घड़ी देखो सबसे बड़ी तुमसे दोस्तों का बाप देखो जीत घड़ी मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का अब देखो क्या करता है ये पता हिंदुस्तान का जो किसी के भी अगर जुड़ा नहीं हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का बैठ के ले नजारा स्ट्रेपल और बेस का हाँ चलूँ ये चलूँ ढाई ढाई चाल मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का मिट्टी का कैसे मैं मर के भी झुकाऊंगा तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा टोपी का हाथ मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा जब के मगर झाड़ दूंगा तो मैं उखाड़ दूंगा जहाँ से तू आया है ना वहीं तुझे गाड़ दूंगा तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा झंडा इंडिया का बटे गाड़ दूंगा
national flag, followed by speech addressing the nation. Across the country, programs are held to emphasize India's unity in diversity and the spirit of freedom. Independence Day is not only a day of national pride but also a day to reflect India's journey, progress, and challenges that lie ahead. So let us all be proud Indians and work hard for our country to make it better. Happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Travis, for sharing such a powerful and meaningful message. In the words of Jawaharlal Nehru, freedom is not a merely a word or an abstract theory, but the real goal of humanity. India is a land of diversity, a blend of colors, cultures, and communities. And what better way to showcase the talent of our people? What our students represent. Let's give a warm welcome to our fabulous students as they take the stage for the platform. I request Teacher Blossom and Teacher Kimberly to come and call out their names.
Contributed to our nation's history. As I call your name, please come forward, give a salute or wave, and let's all applaud their efforts. Class 1st A, Metansh Petnekar, representing the brave Indian Army, protecting our nation with courage. Naisha Hansraj, as Usha Mehta, a young freedom fighter, ran a secret radio station during the Quit India movement. Class 1st B, Brian Fernandez as Lala Lajpat Rai, the Lion of Punjab who fought fearlessly against British rule. Class 1st C, Shlok Nayak as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, instrumental role in drafting Constitution of India and a champion of equality. Class 2nd A, Shivanshi Mishra as Jijabai, the mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who inspired him with courage and wisdom. Ayush Vairagade as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the great Maratha warrior. Class 2nd B, Vidisha Alwa as Rani Lakshmibai, the warrior queen of Jhansi, who became a symbol of resistance. Class 2nd C, Pihu Modi as Kasturba Gandhi, devoted to the cause of truth and non-violence. Sharanya Salyan as Savitribai Phule, a social reformer and educator, especially for women.
Yuvan Pathak as Mahatma Gandhi, who is regarded as father of our nation. His famous slogan was, "Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever." Anshika Tiwari as Annie Besant became the first female president of Indian National Congress, who led the Home Rule movement. Third C, Ayansh Kumar as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as Iron Man of India. His famous slogan read, "Manpower without unity is not a strength." Fourth A, Aradhya Natsankar as Lokmanya Tilak was known as a father of our Indian national movement. His most famous slogan read, "Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it." Rachel Karkera as Sarojini Naidu who was also known as the Nightingale of India, was a renowned poet and a freedom fighter. 4th C. Ahmad Sheikh as Subhash Chandra Bose is famous for his prominent role in India's fight for independence from British rule. He famously coined the slogan Jai Hind and was given the title Netaji. Avika Jha as Savitribai Phule, the woman who helped set up the first school for girls in India. Her key message was educate women, educate a nation.
Class 1st A, Ishan Shetty.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I was the scientist and president of India. People call me Missile Man of India. I love children and education. Kishan, I always said dream big, work hard, achieve more. Thank you.
Class 1st B, Giselle Dias.
Good afternoon and namaste to everyone. I am Bharat Mata, the mother of India. I am so proud for my children who are brave, kind and talented. We celebrate Independence Day for freedom and unity today. Our tricolor flag symbolizes courage, peace and growth. Let's work together as a brighter, happier India. Bharat Mata ki jai. Jai Hind.
Class 1st C, Vamika Dogar.
Good evening everyone. I am Monica Dogar, studying from first C. Today I am becoming Rani of the sky. Bloody मर्दानी वो तो राशि बनी रानी थी। मैं मेरी जाति किसी को भी नहीं दूंगी।
Class 2nd B, Ibrahim Sheikh.
My name is Ibrahim Sheikh. I am from 2nd B. Today I became Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a great freedom fighter of India. He was born on 28 September 1907. He was very bold and fearless leader of India. He gave a very famous slogan, Inqilab Zindabad. Thank you.
3rd B. Triyansh Shetty.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mangal Pandey, a soldier who bravely fought for India's freedom. I stood against the British and they disrespected our traditions. My actions sparked the 1857 revolt. I may have been a soldier, but I was also a freedom fighter. And I am proud to have played a part in our nation's fight for freedom. Let's remember my sacrifice and always be brave. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Ishani Prabhu.
I am presenting a role of Kittur Rani Channamma. I am Kittur Rani Channamma. I am the queen of Kittur in Karnataka. I am a freedom fighter. I was born on 23rd October 1778. I am
Third C. Naisha Kadam.
Good afternoon, everybody. Respected fathers, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Naisha Kadam from 3rd C. Today, I shall represent myself as Madam Kama, the mother of the Indian Revolution. I was born on 24th September 1861 into a well-known Parsi family in Mumbai. I took active participation in the Indian freedom struggle. On 22nd of August in 1907, I became the first person to raise the Indian flag on foreign soil in Germany and announce this as the flag of independent India. In the name of this flag, I appeal to all lovers of freedom from all over the world to support this cause. In this flag, the top green stripe has 8 blooming lotuses representing the 8 provisions of British India. The second stripe is yellow with the Hindi slogan Vande Mataram inscribed on it, and the third stripe is red with the shining sun and the moon. It indicates that our India will remain independent until the skies are graced by the sun and the moon. Also, the green color shows courage and spirit. The yellow is for victory and the red shows strength. I strongly support women. Do not forget women's important role to play in their part in building a nation and marching forward. We are for India. India is for Indians. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Fourth B. Johan Shankaram.
Good afternoon, respected father, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Johan Shankar. Today, I am dressed up as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14 November. Every year, we always celebrate his birthday and Children's Day. Children lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. Nehru studied law at Cambridge University. Father, Motilal Nehru was a famous lawyer. Nehru joined Gandhiji's freedom movement. Thank you.
Afia Sheikh.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Afia Sheikh from Standard 4B, presenting here as Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the first women Prime Minister of India. She is also known as the Iron Lady of India. She was born on 19th November 1917 at Prayagraj, Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Indira Gandhiji's courage and strength will always inspire women all over the world. Thank you.
Participants and filled with pride. Let us because ourselves the first student, as students, and anyone interested in learning and practicing new languages. We explore different cultures and improve communication skills. Whether you are a beginner or a fluent speaker, everyone is welcome. Join, share, and grow together.
So, children, I now announce the language club open for the section, primary section students. This club is formed to enhance your language, and not only English, will be beginning with English, but we will also be having Hindi and Marathi also, so that you all can learn. Even all of us teachers, including me, all of us are still learning to speak better, to communicate better, and this is an opportunity for all of you to improve your language. So I welcome all the students to be members of this club, and soon we'll be giving the rules and regulations and more programs which will be held by this club. So all the best, your teachers, all the best to you too, to carry forward this language club.
Thank you, Father. It is with great pride that I stand before you today, introducing the school prefects for this academic year. These students are carefully selected to represent their respective classes based on their leadership abilities, sense of discipline, and commitment to the They will serve as role models, helping to maintain order and promote a positive environment throughout the school. Let's now recognize and welcome them. I request teacher Steffi to come and announce the names.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is with great pride and pleasure that I stand before you today to introduce the school prefects for this academic year. Leadership isn't just about helping, it's about guiding others like a lighthouse leading ships to safety. These students have been carefully selected to represent their respective classes based on their leadership abilities, sense of discipline, and commitment to the school community. They will serve as role models, helping to maintain order, discipline, and promote a positive environment throughout the school. I invite our principals, Father Nelson and Father Pawan, to come on the stage and honor students with badges. Let us welcome our school prefects starting from class 4th A. Devlekar Shravya, Ahmad Ania, Sheikh Mohammad Ahmad, Shinde Vedansh, followed by class 4th B, Chetiyar Ivan, Nair Daksh, Vasai Yusra, Chobe Aroi, followed by class 4C, Pujari Shriyani, Adoni Amaira, Sheikh Ahmad, Suwari Sharwin. Let us school at all times. Thank you. Thank you, fathers.
Thank you, teacher Steffi, and I once again congratulate to all the
Ashwin D'Souza and Father Pawan Saldana for gracing this occasion. My heartfelt thanks to our respected principals, teachers for their constant support. I also thank all the participants and volunteers for making this event successful. Lastly, a big thank you to our wonderful audience for your time and encouragement. Stay proud, stay independent. Once again, happy Independence Day. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. As we end today's celebration, let's carry forward the values of freedom, unity, and service in our daily lives. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day once again. Jai Hind. Now, I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.
Jai